So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can find an Apple device such as your iPhone if it has been lost or stolen. So step number one, what we need to do is head over to a browser and you simply need to head over now to iCloud. Now, once we head over to iCloud, what you can then do is you can go to this page here and then you can click on find your device, which will be around this page. So all you need to do is click on this link here. Now, once you click on that link, all you need to do is you need to log into your account. And then if you have lost it in your house, for example, you can click on play sound, which will play aloud a sound so you can find your iPhone. If it has been lost or stolen, you can lock it by clicking on here, or you can go and find it by going to the exact address which will be listed inside the iCloud Find My Devices option here. So as you can see, right under where it says My iPhone, it will show you the exact address, the amount of battery you have got left, and also if you want to lock or play a sound on your device. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can find an iPhone if it has been lost or stolen.